So in this video we are going to talk about how to install Python in Mac and Windows OS. So let's go to python.org and then click on this link, first link. After going to this link, let's go on downloads, and here we have different versions, and we have for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and the latest version that is going on is 3.10.6. You can also download the previous versions. You can see here the list here: 10.6, 10.5, 3.9.13, 3.10.4 also available. You can download any of the versions, but I recommend you to download the latest version 3.10.6. As I have already downloaded the Python, let me show you. You got this IDLE after installing the Python, and let's open this. Now this is the IDLE you will get after installing the Python. You can see that I have installed the 3.9.4 version, and let's check the version of this by using the code. Let me tell you how to check this. You can see here we are getting the 3.9.4 version which I have installed here. So that's all in this video, and stay tuned for the next videos. Till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.